Ever wondered how to properly hide your 4C hair in your box braids to achieve very neat braids? Well, I used to wonder the same too. Today, I'm going to be sharing with you a very simple technique that will help you achieve neat box braids every time. So if you're interested in knowing what it is, then definitely keep on watching. Hi Magi's gang, my name is Majojiba, Maji for short. If you're new here, you're very much welcome to my channel. Please consider subscribing by clicking on the red subscribe button. If you're a returning subscriber, welcome back. It's always a pleasure to have you here with me. I hope everyone's having a good week so far and you are not letting anything or anyone dim your light. In order to achieve the neat box braid look, you would need to know how to do a 2-strand twist and also how to grip box braids properly. There are several videos on YouTube that can help you with this. However, I have linked 2 videos in the description bar below, one for box braids and one for the 2-strand twist. So in a nutshell, in order to achieve neat jumbo box braids every time, this is what I have been doing. This method allows your DIY jumbo box braids or box braids to look neat for a long time, and it also has no negative effect on your natural 4C hair. Additionally, the takedown process is also very simple and straightforward. Okay fam, that's all for today. If you enjoyed watching this video, please remember to give me a thumbs up. See you next time, but till then, as always, stay blessed and remember God loves you. Bye.